everyone, Miss Nicole here for another virtual story time here at the Key West Tropical Forest and Botanical Garden. And tomorrow is St. Patrick's Day. So today we're going to read How to Catch a Leprechaun. And stay tuned because at the end of the story, I'm going to teach you how you can catch a leprechaun. Let's get started. The night is dark, the streets are quiet. St. Patrick's Day is near. I tap my hammer so you'll know the leprechaun is here. So here's a little leprechaun. Let's see what kind of mischief he's going to get into. I'll pull all your laces, put glitter in your hair, and when you walk around, you'll see my gold coins everywhere. You'll never catch me in your trap, but yes, I'll make a scene. I'll turn the whole place upside down. Your toilet will be green. Ugh, that doesn't sound so fun, does it? House number 1, I'm going in. Really? That's your trap? I'm in and out, without a doubt. That one was a snap. So let's see, it looks like they had a little trap here for the leprechaun to catch him, but I guess it didn't work. And now I think it's getting worse. A shoebox on a stick? I'll dance a jig and still escape. We leprechauns are quick. So it looked like they tried to catch him with a shoebox and a stick. Didn't work. Another house, I fixed your shoes. They're really quite smelly. I'll eat the nuts you left as bait and leave it with a full belly. So he put the shoes inside of the sink. This leprechaun is funny. Now you're talking, look at this. It's dandelion tea, but I'm too speedy for your trap. This tea is mine for free. All these sweets didn't catch the leprechaun. I know you want my pot of gold. That iron cage was clever. But I've been alive 200 years. You won't catch me, ever. So this leprechaun is 200 years old, and look, he trapped the kid instead. Ha 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 ha. Now you're getting fancy, but I'll escape with twinkle toes. It's a fancy, pantsy, dancy. It seems to me an engineer has helped with this design. Too bad this little leprechaun is going to be just fine. Oh, look, it looks like Mom and Dad tried to help catch the leprechaun too, but no luck. Your entire house is one big trap, from the ceiling to the floor. Nice try indeed, but soon enough, I'll stroll right out the door. Let's see, there's a sign here that says, totally safe place for leprechauns. Is that true? No. The leprechaun be gone 3000 gave me quite a scare, but without a 4-leaf clover, I won't be caught in there. It looks like they made a robot, the leprechaun be gone 3000, but it didn't work. You'll never catch this leprechaun. Impossible, that's a fact. Unless one day a brilliant child designs the perfect trap. Maybe Miss Nicole has the perfect trap for you to make. But who will that child be? Better luck next year. So hopefully it's us to build the perfect trap. You can find how to build this trap I'm going to show you on our Google Classroom by registering for free at keywest.garden/education. So I'll show you the trap that I've created. We have a pot of gold, which you can use making a cup or some type of bowl. So this is actually a biodegradable pot for plants. And then I put some gold coins inside to trick the leprechaun to get gold. And of course I added a rainbow because there's always a pot of gold at the end of every rainbow, right? And then I made a little ladder for the leprechaun to climb. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it out tomorrow for St. Patrick's Day with the ladder, and hopefully this leprechaun will be attracted to my pot of gold, and he'll climb up the ladder, and then he'll fall inside the pot, and that's how I'm going to catch him. So you can make your trap and then try to show me what you've made using hashtag #KWVirtualGarden. And for our activity, we have an I Spy Leprechaun. So you can find this also on our Google Classroom. So what you're going to do is use this down here below as our key, and you're going to look for these things inside. So it says, I spy 1 pot of gold. So I see the pot of gold right here. So you can try this at home and print it out for free. I hope you all have a happy St. Patrick's Day, and I can't wait to see your leprechaun traps.